This is the setup for observing the gyroscopic effect. What is the effect of gyroscopic couple? This was voltage regulator. With the help of this we can manipulate the RPM of rotation, and this is the angular dial on which we are required to measure the angle. On back side of this assembly we can see a motor is installed to rotate this disc. Okay. And on front side we can see a counterweight is added to balance the mass of motor. Okay, so that our axis of spin can maintain in horizontal position. So to eliminate any unbalanced force we have added a counterweight on front side. First we will add 1 kilogram of mass so that we displace the axis of spin. Okay. On this dial we will measure the angle. Okay, we will measure the time required to rotate by 45 degree. So once we give the voltage, the motor will start rotating. Okay, once it achieves the desired RPM, we will place a mass on it. Okay, by placing the mass on front side of this assembly, we are actually displacing the axis of spin. You can correlate it with pitching motion in ship. Okay, so you have to apply right hand thumb rule to find out the effect. What will be the effect? What will happen? Okay, so let's place a mass of 1 kilogram on front side and let's see what happens. So we'll let it go. So you can observe this assembly is actually rotating about vertical axis. Okay, this motion is called precessional motion. Our axis of spin itself is rotating, is called precessional motion. Okay. So by measuring the time required to cover the 45 degree angle, we can find the angular velocity of precession. Okay. Then on second time we will use 1.5 kilogram of mass. Okay. And again we will repeat the procedure and we will find out angular velocity of precession for 1.5 kg of mass. Okay. And if you apply the right hand thumb rule, okay, relate it with pitching motion of ship. Okay. So according to right hand thumb rule, it will rotate in counterclockwise direction while looking from top. આ સિસ્ટમને આપણે ટોપમાંથી જોઈએ and here you can see the angle covered by the system. જો સિસ્ટમની પર કોઈ માસ મૂકેલું નહીં હોય તો એની હોરિઝોન્ટલ પોઝિશન મેન્ટેન રાખતી હોય છે. So let's look at from top. So ટોપમાંથી તમે જોઈ શકો છો it is rotating in counterclockwise direction. Okay. When looking from top. So apply the right hand thumb rule to know the direction of rotation or angular velocity. To explain the right hand thumb rule for gyroscopic couple, I have here attached a small case, one of the case in effect of gyroscopic couple on naval ship during pitching. So I have discussed here only one case, that is pitching down while our rotor is rotating in counterclockwise direction while looking from front, or clockwise direction while looking from rear. You can take any way. So I have discussed that case only so that you understand the right hand thumb rule and you better understand why it is our assembly is rotating in that particular direction. So have a look at it first. Third case is, now rotation is in clockwise direction, but I have changed this motion. Now pitching is in downward direction. So while looking from rear, this rotation is in clockwise direction. Now if we orient our right hand thumb તો કઈ ડાયરેક્શનમાં આવશે? આ રીતે શિપમાં પાછળના ભાગથી આગળના ભાગ તરફ જતી ડાયરેક્શનમાં આવશે, because our rotation is clockwise.
quickly orient in this and inside view. Now pitching is downward means આ જે ship નો જે front part છે bow that will move in downward direction like this because અહીંયા કીધેલું છે કે pitching is in downward direction. So ship નો જે front part છે તે downward direction માં move થશે. Now observe this જ્યારે ship આ orientation માં છે ત્યારે આપણો right hand thumb કેવી રીતે છે back થી front તરફ જતી direction. So after rotation એ પણ movement એ જ રાખવાની ship ના back થી front તરફ જતી direction. So now if you observe this in absolute frame, pitching downward means જે nose છે તે downward direction માં જાય છે. હવે આ કેસમાં કેવું છે કે આપણો nose અને આ જે thumb બંનેની direction same છે, that is in downward direction. So my active gyroscopic couple will be like this, but my thumb is in negative y direction. So reactive will be exactly opposite to it, positive y direction માં હશે thumb આપણો, and this will give me reactive gyroscopic couple. If you see the rotation of this, it is in counterclockwise direction like this. So effect will be the ship will again turn towards port.